At Weston, the same things that drive you drive us. We value freshness, flavor, and knowing exactly where our food came from. Weston's professional series of electric grinders can process 4 to 18 pounds per minute, depending on which model you choose. The line ranges from a half horsepower model to a 2 horsepower model, which are rated from 375 to 1500 watts. All models have an offset head design for easy loading and are made with precision engineered stainless steel gears that let you handle your game with speed, power, and rugged durability. The professional line of grinders features a permanently lubricated, air-cooled motor and a 5-year limited warranty, giving you the peace of mind that our grinders will be there for you next hunting season and many more to come. With a built-in knife sharpener, convenient carry handle, and nested accessory tray, it includes all the accessories you need to process your food and keeps them close at hand. It's easy to clean because it's a snap to take apart. It comes with 2 grinding plates, coarse and medium, so you can make any kind of sausage or patty you like. Speaking of sausages, it also comes with a sausage stuffing kit that'll make your grilling buddies completely jealous and beg for seconds. Weston's professional series of grinders give you the control you expect over your food processing. We help you process, preserve, and prepare the bounty of nature so you can be sure that your food will have the best flavor and nourishment for your family. At Weston, it's our pleasure to be there with you as you bring the field and farm to your table.